Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discussing about how we can list a set of things in an Angular project. For that I want to use that need to access the service from .NET Core project. We are already discussed about how we can create a .NET Core project and make the services in that project. If you are not referred that one, kindly refer it. If you have an awareness of creating service, that's not a matter. And in this tutorial we are going to discuss about how we can list a set of things in an Angular project. I want to show the steps. For that we need to, first of all, we need to create a new project with a routing and a bootstrap. Then create a component, service, routing, and list the items in a component list. So we can move to the project. I already created a .NET Core project for services. In this project we can see that get, post, and put methods are there. Today we want to discuss about only about listing a set of items in an Angular project. So we only consider the get method. Just execute it. We can see the API here, and two items are available there with some dummy data. Okay, we can create an Angular project now. I want to take the style sheet CSS. We can add bootstrap to our project. We can add two components to our project. One is book component, another one is list component. Book component is a parent component and the list component is a child component. We can add as like that: ng generate component. Then we can add a child component for book. That one is list. Then we can add a service component. Then we can go to the source folder. In that folder we can see the book component, then the list component, and the shared services are available here. And we are already create our project with the routing, so we can take app component.html. The bottom part we can see that router outlet router. We can avoid the unwanted part. We can add. Then we can move to the app module.ts. In that module we can already see the book component and the list component details. We need to import our service here. And I need to add it in providers. We need to import three more things. One is import HTTP forms module, reactive forms module. We can move to the service. We need to import HTTP client, specify our HTTP client here. specify our API. Specify for asynchronous communication, we need to import observable here. RxJS support the asynchronous communication, AJAX communication handle. We need to specify a method for that calling the get method. We can write a service method as like this one. In here we will access the list of items as like this way. Then we need to configure our list component. We can import our service here. We need to write a refresh method for refreshing our book list. We need to subscribe the data. We need to specify our refresh method in onInit method. When the control is going to this component, first of all calling the onInit method. So we need to specify our method here. Then we need to add the selector in the book command HTML. Then we need to add a routing in. For that, we can move to the routing module and need to specify an anchor tag here. Save our file. We need to add an HTML table for listing our details. So we can add a common table format from Bootstrap. I want to choose this one. Need to change the names. For listing a set of items, we need to add a ng for iterating that list. We can run the program now. At that time we can modify the name from here. Here we can see the list of items. That's it from my side. Actually, today we are discussing about how we can list a set of items in a Bootstrap project. Sorry, Angular project. It's very simple. From the beginning, we can see all step by steps here. Kindly try it in your system and please share your thoughts and suggestions. If you face any difficulty, please comment it in on our project. That's it. Thank you.